Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu, and we have a special video for you today. So in today's video, we'll be unboxing the $700 Benchmade 945-221 Mini-Osborne, and it is a gold class knife from Benchmade. So let's get started. So this is a limited edition knife, and it costs $700 from Benchmade. I started getting into knives a little bit, and I really love the blue and gold aesthetic, so this knife seemed like it was perfect for me. So I kind of want to unbox this without like breaking anything. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. I don't know, should I try to peel? No, I'll just cut it. So here's a normal Benchmade 945, and then I'll just slice it open. This is my first look at this knife. I'm very excited. Okay. Benchmade, it is with great pride that we offer this limited edition gold class product to you. It has been handcrafted in Oregon, whatever. But this is what a normal Benchmade knife looks like. And it's just like that on the inside. And this is what the gold class knife is like. So this is limited edition. I don't know how many they're making, but okay. And so it has the gold carrier, right? I think the standard one has it written in silver, Benchmade written in silver. This one is written in gold. And then we have the knife here. We'll take a look at that later. Let's put it off to the side first. And what else is in here? This is like lined with a kind of velvety foam. And then here, whatever this is. So they have gold class, blue class, and black class. Interesting. I never knew about all of those types of classes. So I just did a little bit of Googling. I think their regular knives are the blue class knives, I think. So like this is a blue class knife. And basically the gold class is the top of the top. They advertise it like on their website and everything. And yeah, it's the best of the best. So here it is. It's definitely a heavy boy. It's much heavier than the standard blue class. But this is not a comparison video today. That will be coming in the future. This is just an unboxing video. Oh wow, and it's individually numbered. I don't know if you see that. This is number 792. I love the aesthetic, and I've never had a knife made from Damascus steel. Wow. So you can kind of feel it. And similarly to all the other knives, this one comes like not broken in. If I were to use it, I need to break it in. Wow, this is really a beautiful knife. I'm not super about like the art stuff, but people say stuff is like art, but like truly this is, I think, a work of art. Not sure what kind of scale this is. Looks kind of like carbon fiber. It's yeah, I don't know. I like buying nice things. When I buy something, I like to buy the nicest version. I've actually evolved over time. Like I used to just buy super cheap stuff, but I actually have a video coming up that's like the fake versus the real knives, the Benchmades versus like the copycat Benchmades, and I think you'll be super surprised. That like completely changed my view on like whether or not you should buy a real knife, because I used to be one of those people who was like, oh, I'm gonna save the money, but now I feel like I'm willing to pay for quality, I think. So this is number 792 of I don't know how many. But yeah, the Benchmade logo here it's a different Benchmade logo than the standard one. Here they just have the butterfly. But yeah, this is a lovely knife. I'm probably going to take off the pocket clip. And yeah, I mean, hopefully like these go up in value. I mean, from what I've seen of limited edition stuff, they like, for some reason, always just go up in value. Like I saw that this knife is already out of stock, which is so amazing to me. Like that so many people just have $700 to just spend on a knife. And in real life, I'm looking at the camera right now, and in real life, this is more a teal than the blue that I'm seeing. It's like a really nice blue. It's like an electric blue kind of. It's a slightly different shade than what I see here. The thumb stud is color matched, of course. And yeah, I think from the factory, the operation is a lot more smooth actually than the standard one. Like, actually, never mind. They're the same. I'm just looking for differences. But yeah, this is so nice. It's just, what a nice design. And I love the gold spacer here. It's amazing. Awesome. Cool. I'm very happy with this purchase. I have no plans on like selling this knife, but if anyone watching this video is interested, you can reach out. Obviously, anything is for sale at the right price. Yeah, I'm not like super into knives or whatever, but having this is very nice. I will probably, you know, keep this as part of my collection. I don't know, display it when I get a house. But yeah, this is so nice. Thanks for watching this unboxing video of this Benchmade 945-221 Damascus Mini-Osborne. Dude, this is so nice. I'm going to enjoy playing with this. I like to just fidget with my knives. Basically, my knives are just like fidget toys. So this is very nice. Yeah, you can see the blade pattern. There's like repeating patterns and stuff. Oh, ooh. Let me see how sharp it is. It's sharp, but they're all sharp. But it does look like the grind. The blade is ground better than the standard one. If you just look at the shininess level, it's hard to tell on camera, but in person you can tell that it's like more polished and shinier. So yeah, I can actually put some microscope shots in the future, but this is not the comparison video. So yeah, I actually have a bunch of comparison videos coming down the line. I will pretty much be comparing like every single permutation you can think of between these 4 different knives. We have the standard Benchmade 945 BK-1, and then what we just unboxed today, the gold edition, the gold class, and then here's the carbon fiber 940, and then here's the knockoff 940. So yeah, I have a lot of these reviews coming up, and yeah, subscribe. And thanks for watching this unboxing video of this really expensive $700 knife. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the pocket clip because I just put them on my desk to fidget with, and I don't carry them in my pocket, so I don't need it. And so I'll use my iFix-It kit. This is not sponsored. I just bought them from ads. They're pretty good. I mean, I don't know. I don't have anything to compare it to, but I'm very satisfied with their tools. Very high quality. And they've served me well. So you can use like a standard Torx, I think this is T6 bit. And then you can just remove these. And then I like to put these in the bag that it comes with, just so that these don't get lost. But basically, I just undo it. I undo the screws for the pocket clip. I take the pocket clip, one more. So the 3 screws are in there, and then I take the pocket clip which is also different, by the way. This pocket clip I feel like is more matte, and then I just stick that in there, and then I will keep the boxes in a safe place. I have like kind of a little problem, you know, of like, I always, you know, keep the boxes of everything, and it's kind of annoying because they're just kind of sitting in my room and taking up a lot of space. So now we have this, and then very nice. As you can see, it's not broken in. Every knife needs to be broken in, and I will thoroughly enjoy the breaking in process of this $700 knife. I am very excited. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.